10 shocking facts you probably didn't know. Number 1. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Let that sink in. Every beach, every desert, every sandbox, count all the grains of sand. And they still don't match the number of stars out there. Astronomers estimate that the observable universe contains over 1,000 stars. That's a septillion. It's a number so big, your brain can't really picture it. And yet, here we are, on one tiny rock, orbiting one ordinary star, thinking we know it all. Number 2. A teaspoon of a neutron star weighs about 6 billion tons. Yes, you heard that right. A single teaspoon of matter from a neutron star, the incredibly dense remnant of a supernova, weighs as much as a mountain range. That's because the atoms are crushed so tightly together that electrons and protons merge into neutrons, creating a material that's mind-bendingly dense. If you dropped it on Earth, well, there would be no Earth left. Number 3. Your brain can generate enough electricity to power a light bulb. At any given moment, your brain is buzzing with electrical activity. Tiny impulses firing between neurons. In fact, it's estimated that the human brain produces about 20 watts of electricity. That's enough to light up a small bulb. But the real shocker? Your brain is doing that while managing your breathing, heart rate, memory, emotions, and more. All at once. And you barely notice. Number 4. You shed your entire outer skin every 27 days. The body you're living in today? It's not the same body you had last month. Humans shed about 30,000 to 40,000 skin cells per hour. That's nearly 1 million per day. Over a month, your outer layer is completely replaced. The weirdest part? A significant amount of household dust is made up of dead human skin. Yeah, that dust you're breathing? That's probably you. Number 5. You've never truly touched anything. Touch feels real, but it's a lie. The atoms in your body never actually make physical contact with anything. Thanks to the electromagnetic force, the electrons in your atoms repel the electrons in other atoms. So when you touch something, you're actually feeling the resistance between two invisible forces. Technically, you're always hovering. Nothing ever really connects. Number 6. Space isn't silent. It's screaming. We're often told space is silent, but that's only partly true. While space is a vacuum and sound doesn't travel like it does on Earth, astronomers have found ways to convert electromagnetic vibrations from black holes, planets, and galaxies into sound. And what they've heard? It's terrifying. Low, groaning rumbles, echoes of collapsing stars, pulses from neutron stars. If you could hear space, it would haunt your dreams. Number 7. Time passes faster at your head than at your feet. Thanks to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity affects time. The closer you are to a gravitational source, like the center of Earth, the slower time moves. That means your feet are aging slower than your head, by a few billionths of a second per year. It's unnoticeable, but it's real. You're aging unevenly just by standing upright. Number 8. Your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days. Why? Because your stomach acid is stronger than battery acid. It's hydrochloric acid, powerful enough to dissolve metal. So your body has to constantly rebuild your stomach lining to avoid digesting itself. This happens every few days. So technically, your stomach is in a constant war with itself. Number 9. Your body glows, but you can't see it. Bioluminescence isn't just for jellyfish. Humans actually emit a very faint glow, caused by biochemical reactions in our cells. Scientists using ultra-sensitive cameras have confirmed it. Our bodies emit visible light, but it's 1,000 times weaker than our eyes can detect. You are literally shining all the time, just not brightly enough to see. Number 10. The universe has no edge, and it might not have a center. We're used to boundaries. Cities have borders. Planets have surfaces. But the universe? It's not a ball floating in space. It's space itself, expanding, stretching, growing. And if it's infinite, that means you can go in any direction, forever. No walls, no edge, no center. So, where are we? If this video shocked you, even just once, give it a like and subscribe for more. And you? Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments.